Hi, I'm Sri Lavanya Tamilvanan. I'm currently an undergraduate student majoring in Tamil language and linguistics in University of Malaya. I chose to intern at a preschool because I was deeply interested in children. I really curious about how the learning progress started at the early age.
I'm YelaoShr Malay. I'm studying for language and linguistics in Tamil at University of Malaya. I chose to intern at the preschool because I want the real life experience. So I want how the children apply pronunciation and the grammar in real life.
At the very first day, my impression interning here is I was so excited. Environment over here is very colorful, like attract the kids, and it also attract me as well. Before starting my internship, I was really unsure and nervous about how to handle the kids, their behaviors and emotional styles, because this was the first experience for me to handle 3 to 6 years old students all together. So I was really unsure and nervous. In university, we mostly study about theoretical. Here, it's everything more to practical, like everything in hands-on and very interesting learning activities. Early childhood education is not only just teaching and then learning progress. It's more about patience and creativity and how we understand the emotional behaviors of the kids.
On my first day, I felt so nervous and excited. The environment was so lively and the children also were excited and curious. I was most nervous about to handle the different kids, so I was unsure I could handle the different classroom management. At the university, I learned about the theories, pronunciation, grammar, and the communication. At the internship, I learned how to apply those things to the students and how they can understand the pronunciation and speaking.
The favorite moment with the children is the way they react to the stories what I tell, and then while the teaching activities, how they react, how they laugh to the things I teach them.
My favorite moment is celebrating birthday with them, very meaningful to me.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to intern here. However, I do my majoring in Tamil language and linguistics. Get a lot of language barrier over here because here the students, everyone is Chinese and things. But I never ever felt like it was a challenge to me because very welcoming, the company and then the management, the organization, where everything was very good. I felt very welcoming here, and I will suggest more over my university students to come and internship over here. So good, and thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity. I'm glad to be doing internship here. Also, I learned many things here. The first one is like need to be patient and how to handle the kids in real life. And also, I'm enjoying to teach the kids here. So, YelaoShr, thank you very much for your opportunity. Thank you.